Today we have a really quick Sunday video. We flew to Singapore a couple of months ago. Me, my daughter, and some friends participated in a gunpla contest. No, not a Bandai-sponsored gunpla contest, but a more of a mecha contest. My friend Sydney Ang and of course my daughter have videos of this event in their respective channels. Since gunpla or mecha is no longer my thing, one of the highlights of our visit in Singapore is our visit to Hammer House. Hammer House Singapore is a two-floor miniature and Warhammer awesomeness. Hi, I'm Don. Welcome to my channel. This channel is supported by all these awesome brands. Also, special thanks to The Army Painter for making this video possible. By the way, don't forget my discount codes and affiliate links down below. It won't cost you extra and it will help the channel. Also, you'll get some big discounts. Hammer House is a 30-minute, I think, walk from our hotel. When we arrived in the area, it took us a while to find the door of Hammer House. There is a narrow stairs leading towards the second floor or second level of the building. The third level houses the games and the workshop area, but I was too shy to go upstairs. So we stayed at the second level for maybe an hour. We also have well-stocked shops, miniature shops here in the Philippines, but nothing like Hammer House Singapore. In terms of the model kits or the miniatures, Hammer House has almost everything. You'll definitely enjoy visiting Hammer House Singapore if you're a gamer because they have a lot of gaming stuff, but you'll also enjoy it even if you're just like me, a painter. They have a huge selection of tabletop games like Zombicide. They also have, of course, Warhammer and like Warcrow from Corvus Belli. And I was also surprised to see some War Machine. War Machine, way back when it was owned by Privateer Press, was like the franchise or the products that introduced me to miniature painting. I was really surprised with the amount of like miniature brands in this shop. They even have a big selection of Chimera models and even Neko Galaxy. Chimera models and Neko Galaxy are high quality resin casted miniatures. I'm not really sure if our local hobby shops carry Neko Galaxy and Chimera models. But it was definitely my first time to see Chimera models and Neko Galaxy miniatures on shelves. It was also very nice to see that they have a big selection of Corvus Belli miniatures which is in partnership with the Army Painter. I have yet to paint Infinity though because I'm kinda intimidated to like paint a ton of NMM. Also, I haven't painted my Warcrow miniatures. You could also see in this video that Hammer House has some gears and some other stuffs like dice and keychains and accessories of gaming franchises. So it was really awesome. After filming for around 30 minutes, I had to ask the person there if they carry the Army Painter paints and tools. The shelves and the shop is so well stocked, I did not see any Army Painter stuff in my first 30 minutes of stay. If you're finding value in this video, do give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. So after 30 minutes of enjoying like looking at the stocks and of course the painted displays in the shop, I had to ask a person if they carry the Army Painter. And of course they do. So what makes Hammer House Singapore special for me is that a third of the area are dedicated to just paints. It was my first time to see a ton of paints, like even paint brands that I haven't seen in person before. You see here in the Philippines, we have like the shops carry a ton of the local paints. And they would have a little bit of Citadel, but it's mostly local paints for the shops here in the Philippines. If you're curious, the only like local paint brand that I've tried extensively are Hyro Paints. Other than Hyro Paints, I usually collaborate with international brands. Mainly now, I'm under contract with the Army painter. I was extra happy after seeing the speed paints, although they're like arranged in a Vallejo rack. Like I said earlier, some of the paint brands I haven't seen in person before, especially like Scale 75 and a few of the AK paints. And since I'm very loyal to the Army painter, I did not buy any of them. Wink wink. I was really overwhelmed with the amount of paints and paint brands and of course the miniatures that is in Hammer House, Singapore. It was like really overwhelming. Since rent is very expensive in Singapore, it's very rare that you see a shop this big. Although I must say that smaller hobby shops in Singapore are also very well stocked. If you like these kinds of videos like tours of hobby shops and stuff, my daughter Nico has a ton of them in her channel. So I'll put the link below so that you could check them out. Oh, by the way, the great thing about Hammer House Singapore, or I think most shops, hobby shops in Singapore, is that they ship worldwide. And unlike the Philippines, Singapore, they do have reasonable shipping costs. In fact, Hammer House even told me that they ship Beyblade to the Philippines. I haven't personally tried like ordering from Hammer House online and having it shipped here in the Philippines, but I think it's no problem because we're not really that far apart. I don't have any discounts or affiliate links or anything like that. It's just that I felt that I had to feature this store because it was really awesome. Oh, by the way, I haven't like edited the video of the 4 Primarchs that I painted a couple of months ago. I'll create a channel in my community tab and do vote which of the 4 Primarchs you want me to edit first. Also, I'm working on a couple of big projects these days, so stay tuned for that. Oh, it was also nice to see 2 Thin Coats here because 2 Thin Coats gave me like samples way back before I was part of the Army Painter team. So like I said earlier, I had to ask like the Hammer House person where the other Army Painter stuff are. My apologies for forgetting his name because I'm really bad with names, but I'll never forget his face. So eventually we talked for around 30 minutes and we walk on the other side of like the area of the paint areas to check the boxes of Army Painter stuff. So apparently they have a good amount or a good selection of the Army Painter tools and of course paints, and the dude told me that speed paints are selling very well in Singapore. It was really nice to see Quickshade because I haven't like seen Quickshade before. I don't have Quickshade and I have almost all of the other Army Painter stuff. Quickshade I haven't tried yet. Hammer House told me that they have a lot more Army Painter paints and tools, but they just don't have the space anymore to display them. That's it, Pansit. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and all that stuff. Until next video, guys. Bye! If you like this video, you might like these other videos.